Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your username or handle on your TikTok from PC. So go to your any browser or you can go any app, TikTok app. So I'm just using Google Chrome. You can use any app or browser. Then type the what tiktok.com. Then I already logged in here, so simply click here. You can see its profile, and then you can see here view profile. Simply click on view profile, then edit profile. Then you can see username. It must be a unique name. So okay, I'm just type randomly, and once you see that there is a green uh, mark is available, it means that this name will be available here. And after that, simply tap or click. You can see you can change your username once every 30 days. Okay, so confirm it. So once it done, then you can see simply refresh your page. Then you can see this username changed successfully. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.